Today we are going to discuss a topic that I have been wanting to touch upon for a while now. The disastrous singles match between Brock Lesnar and Goldberg with Stone Cold Steve Austin as special guest referee at WrestleMania 20 in Madison Square Garden, New York City. This was way back in 2004 and the WrestleMania 20 card was shaping up to be an all-time great one. Back then, WWE used to be very careful when it came to superstars appearing on different shows. Raw superstars and SmackDown superstars used to be exclusive to those particular shows, and it was incredibly rare for a superstar to appear on another brand. So when Brock Lesnar and Goldberg, two of the biggest powerhouses on SmackDown and Raw respectively, met backstage at Survivor Series 2003, fans couldn't control their excitement. Many fans speculated at the time that this was building up towards a huge blockbuster match somewhere down the line. Lesnar and Goldberg met once again backstage just before the Royal Rumble match in 2004. Lesnar tried to make fun of Goldberg and the latter wasn't taking it one bit. He took a shot at Lesnar and this cost him an opportunity at the World Heavyweight Championship at WrestleMania. The Beast Incarnate interfered in the 30-man Royal Rumble match and hit an F5 on Goldberg. This led to Kurt Angle eliminating Goldberg from the match and thus kicked off a blockbuster feud between Brock Lesnar and Goldberg. Goldberg later cost Brock Lesnar the WWE Championship at No Way Out. In the main event of No Way Out, Eddie Guerrero defeated Brock Lesnar after Goldberg interfered in the match. A match consisting of two of the biggest behemoths in WWE needed someone to control them. Stone Cold Steve Austin, WWE legend, former WWE champion, was announced as the special guest referee for the match. By that time, Lesnar had grown tired of the incredibly hectic WWE schedule and his booking as well. He wasn't happy one bit over losing the title to Eddie Guerrero. All of this has been mentioned by Brock Lesnar in his autobiography Death Clutch. Lesnar had made up his mind and he was ready to leave WWE immediately. He confronted Vince McMahon and told him that he didn't want to compete at WrestleMania and just wanted to be fired. Vince told Lesnar that he can't do this to him and he needs to at least compete at WrestleMania. Vince's original plans for WrestleMania was to have Brock Lesnar beat Goldberg. Plans were changed after Brock Lesnar made up his mind and decided to leave WWE. Both men were paid a whopping $250,000 for the match, but Brock Lesnar wasn't happy with his salary for the match. At WrestleMania, Brock Lesnar and Goldberg finally collided in what many consider to be one of the worst matches in the history of WWE as well as professional wrestling. Fans were aware at that time that Brock Lesnar and Goldberg were both about to leave WWE immediately after the match, and they weren't happy with both men one bit. Crowds began chanting for Stone Cold Steve Austin, and even a fan who was dressed as Hulk Hogan was in attendance during that match. Both Brock Lesnar and Goldberg were showered with massive boos during the entirety of the match. In the end, Goldberg defeated Brock Lesnar and Lesnar wasn't happy. He flipped the fans and also flipped Stone Cold Steve Austin. This was a huge mistake as Austin ended up giving a Stone Cold Stunner to Lesnar and threw him, literally kicked him out of the ring. This was Brock Lesnar's last WWE appearance and he would make his return 8 years later on the Raw after WrestleMania 28. Austin celebrated with Goldberg with a bunch of beers and ended up stunning him as well. So what was the aftermath of this disastrous match? Brock Lesnar left WWE and tried his hand at the NFL. He wanted to become a big NFL star, but an accident, a bike accident, crushed his dreams. Following the accident, Brock Lesnar's body wasn't fit for the trials. He still ended up giving the trials but wasn't selected in the end. He came crawling back to WWE and had a meeting with Vince McMahon and John Laurinaitis. Vince McMahon made it clear to Brock Lesnar that he would have to start from the scratch. WWE wouldn't treat him as a megastar like they used to a few months ago. Lesnar wasn't happy with Vince's offer and decided against signing back with WWE. He later made a name for himself in NJPW and later as a mainstream star in the UFC. By 2012, Brock Lesnar had become a household name in the sports industry. Everyone knew his name. Everyone knew who Brock Lesnar was. Vince McMahon finally managed to sign Brock Lesnar to a contract in 2012 and he made his big return on the Raw after WrestleMania, hit an F5 on John Cena and kicked off a feud with him. Lesnar's stint finally ended last year at SummerSlam 2023 where he lost to Cody Rhodes. And it seems like there's no way that Brock Lesnar will ever return to WWE. Lesnar and Goldberg were two of the biggest stars in WWE back in 2004. fans were really excited to see them collide on the grandest stage of them all. It was a shame that both men decided to leave WWE at that point in their careers, and the worst part was that the fans were aware that they were leaving. Both men had no motivation to perform, they simply wanted to have the match and leave Madison Square Garden as soon as possible. Brock Lesnar vs Goldberg with Stone Cold Steve Austin as special guest referee will forever be remembered as one of the biggest fumbles of all time.